Hi there, let's take another ad of Sam Ovens because I want to point out something very important. So here is the ad, let's read it together. So Sam here is focusing on pain. He's asking his audience, are you a consultant who struggles to get results? Focusing on pain is very important. Imagine a consultant who lives in the USA and only making $900 from his activity. He would feel concerned with this ad and he will most probably continue reading. And now in this sentence, Sam uses his wow effect. Now I can hear a part of readers saying, what? $1 million per month? I want 10% of this and I would be happy. And here, Sam wants to explain what are the most important 3 problems that suffocate most consultants. We will not continue analyzing this ad because it continues in a classic way. Sam explains more about the 3 problems and then invites the readers to a free webinar, and he describes what they will learn in details in this webinar. Let's sum up what we have learned about copywriting. Short copies don't work very well if you are a consultant or a coach. You have to take time to convince people with your vision. Your ad must look like a normal Facebook post, and it should not look like an ad. It should be natural. You are helping people to move from where they are to a better state. It should be clear in your ad copy. You have to demonstrate to people that it's easy and they can do it even if they don't have experience. You have to use urgency. You have to tell them that what you are offering now might not be available soon. You have to show your audience some empathy. You have to show them that you understand them and you understand their struggles. You have to demonstrate the return of investment of your method. Curiosity is very important. Do not forget to use it. So, I invite you to think deeply about these points. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.